Welcome guys. In this video we are going to learn the basics of CNC programming. CNC machine was developed to improve the productivity for US Navy helicopter blades in the year of 1952. In CNC machines we are using some codes to control the machine. That code is known as part programming instructions. Part programming contains a set of instructions and a sequence of operations that is given to a CNC machine to control its operation to produce a part. Actually, it is a task of preparing a program sheet from a given drawing sheet. All data is fed into the CNC system using a standardized format. That format contains tool path coordinate values, speed, spindle RPM, feed and coolant on off, etc. Here the simulation shows the program and tool movement. Let us discuss the part program in detail. Each line of the program is taken as a single block. Each block is composed of several instructions, like the below one. Here, N indicates the sequence number. It will be useful in cutting cycles or re-editing the program or sometimes while correcting the mistakes. The next one is G code. It is known as preparatory function. It is very important one. The main function of the code is to control the movement of the tool. A linear rapid movement, a linear slow movement, circular movement, and a control feed rate, absolute or incremental movement. G codes are shown here. We will discuss those things in the upcoming videos as individually. Next, we are having the destination codes for the cutting tool to remove the metal from the workpiece. This destination codes will be denoted by X, Y, Z, U, W. In turning center, we are having X and Z. Usually, X is the diameter and Z is the length of the workpiece. This animation will help you to understand it clearly. At the axis of the workpiece, X is equal to 0. Below the axis, X will be negative and above the axis, X is positive. Similarly, at the front of the workpiece, Z is positive. At the front surface, that is, if you touch the workpiece face, there Z is equal to 0. If we want to remove metal from the workpiece means we have to give Z in negative values. Similarly, in milling, X is the length of the workpiece, Y is the breadth and Z is the thickness of the workpiece. In milling, the datum setting is a very important one. We will see those things in the upcoming videos. This video will give some idea about the coordinates to you in a better manner. And the next one is feed rate. It is denoted by F and S refers to the spindle RPM. We need to calculate it by using some velocity relationship formula. That is velocity equal to pi dn by 1000. From the formula, we have to find the n value. Usually, the feed and RPM will be changed at the finishing edge, roughing edges. The next one is M codes, that is known as miscellaneous functions or machine codes. It is a group of instructions such as coolant on, off, spindle on, off, tool changing, program stop, program end. Here some examples are shown. The next one, T refers the tool number. The programmer must know the tool and its position in the turret before going to write the program. Here I show some turret and its tool number. It is a vertical machining center and its turret. Similarly, the part program contains a lot of sequence to obtain the part. The next video we will discuss the various preparatory codes and M codes with the example. Guys, before going to watch the next video, kindly search the various G codes and M codes in Google. Thanks for watching. YoucaN.